Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has moved a little bit lower today. It was pretty much, however, a day of sideways consolidation and hasn't even touched the key level that I mentioned yesterday as key support against which we can focus still on higher prices, which is here at 61,930. It's pretty much just the last swing low. So overall situation hasn't changed, even though this is quite a noticeable pullback overall in this structure, but the support levels are still all holding. And the move down looks corrective, which means the pullback looks like a three-wave move. And then the fifth wave to the upside could take us to 64,800. As I said in the last video today, I'm not entirely sure if this is a fourth wave pullback, as shown in blue, or if it's a B wave pullback. In both scenarios, the 60,219 level needs to hold, obviously. So we'll talk about that in a little bit more detail now. This is the main support area, but obviously the two scenarios have different support levels. And overall, I would still like to see the price go a little higher. First of all, to 64,800, and then into the region around 66, maybe even 67,000 in this fifth wave. So my idea is that from the swing low that formed on the 6th of September, we have seen 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave A. And then this here would be a B wave pullback. And then the C wave rally would be a 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, then wave 4 and wave 5. And wave 3 is, well, that's the thing, wave 3 could be an ABC structure. If this C wave up is an ending diagonal, if that's the case, then the subwaves should all be corrective. What I will do, I will take out that red trend channel. We don't need that anymore. So, I mean, my interpretation so far has been that wave 1 was a 3-wave move, A, B, C in A, then B, C. So 3 waves up. Then we had a wave 2, and then here this could be A, B, C in 3, then a 4, and then A, B, C in wave 5. Possible. Again, that micro counting on a 30-minute chart, it is a challenge anyway, but especially in crypto, where you have a lot of distortions on the smaller time frames. That's one scenario. I mean, I can also make a case for a 5-wave move in 1. Then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the 5 would be very extended. Then this third wave here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And wave 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be an impulsive wave count. Does it really matter? Not so much. I mean, it is just worth being aware of it, these two potentials, which is why I showed them to you in the last video. Why is it important? Because the fourth wave shouldn't really break below the 61,535 level. And the B wave shouldn't break below 60,219. So the lower we go, the more probable is it that it's a B wave. Now we see a bit of a rebound there. I mean, there's no need to go any lower, okay? So, but if it's very shallow, it might rather be blue wave 4. And the next move up, either way, in this wave 3, we should get to 64,800. I mean, or higher, but 64,800 is the first ideal target for a third wave, and I'd like to see the price actually get there. Yeah, and then we can put that onto the chart already. If I'm adding the 100% extension, 78.6. So then the fourth wave has support here between 62,337 and 63,213. So this would be wave 4 support. It depends a little bit on where the third wave forms the top. If it goes higher and higher and higher, the fourth wave will likely also move higher a little bit, but this would be standard support, a 78.6 extension and the 100% extension. And then we should see a fifth wave. So that's how I see it. That's how we are rolling into the weekend. And maybe we see another final push before the weekend here in wave 5. I didn't want to delete the fibs actually. Oh, 1 second. Just want to take this out again. I will obviously add this support area for wave 4 separately again once we have a top. But first of all, we need that one more high. Overall, let's see, it could be a quiet weekend. I'll keep you updated. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.